Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.